Now we have solved some numericals of exercise 6.2. See the first one, that is in a triangle ABC. If D parallel to BC given, D parallel to BC, then we have to find out one of the missing ratio. We have to find out what EC. So for that, theorem 6.1, that is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. You can see here AD upon DB, AE upon EC. Put the values. You can write here theorem 6.1. Now here remove that point, simple calculation, 15 1 jar 15 2 jar, and cross multiplication will give you the value of AC as 2. Clear? So if you recheck your answer, you will find that the ratio of AD upon DB and AE upon AC is what? 1/2 exactly. Same way the second question. Here you have to find AD. So I have written here X. Again we will use theorem 6.1. We will take the ratio of AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now unknown term is there AD, so right here X. I have taken X upon 7.2 is equal to, put the value of AE and EC, 1.8, 5.4. One digit point to remove, it is 1/3. 18 1 jar 18 3 jar 54. Now cross multiplication and you will get X is equal to 2.4. That is what AD is equal to 2.4. So by this way we can solve the simple numericals on the basis of theorem 6.1. Okay, let's start question number 2. Now question number 2 is given for a triangle PQR. For a triangle PQR. Okay, E and F are the points on the sides PQ and here. That is somewhere here E and somewhere it is F, such that EF parallel to Q are given. Now it is given EF is parallel to, you have to check whether EF is parallel to QR or not. आपको ये चेक करना है EF QR के पैरेलल है कि नहीं. अभी कैसे चेक करना है, चलो वैल्यू पुटअप करते हैं. PE, P की वैल्यू कितनी है 3.9, EQ 3 सेंटीमीटर, PF 3.6 और FR कितना है 2.4. जैसे कि पहले क्वेश्चन में मैंने आपको बताया कि अगर दोनों साइड का रेशियो इक्वल हो जाएगा तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये EF पैरेलल टू QR होगा. तो चलिए रेशियो ले लेते हैं. अगर मैं लिखता हूँ PE अपॉन EQ, तो आई विल राइट हियर 3.9 अपॉन 3. अगर मैं इसको कट करूँ तो 1 और 1.3, ये समथिंग आता है 1.3 अपॉन 1. ओके, एंड इफ आई एम टेकिंग PF अपॉन FR, PF अपॉन FR, तो इट इज़ 3.6 अपॉन 2.4. पॉइंट रिमूव कर दिया, 36 अपॉन 24, 12 3 जार एंड 12 2 जार. It is something 3/2. Can you see? Both the ratios are not common. Common नहीं है ना. ओके, तो आप लिख सकते हो, ऐसा रीजन दे दो कि सिंस P अपॉन EQ, the ratio of P upon EQ is not equal to PF upon FR, therefore आपका स्टेटमेंट होगा EF is not parallel to QR. Clear? So by this way you have to solve. चलिए एक और क्वेश्चन मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. सेकेंड, अगेन विल स्केच द सेम डायग्राम. Again we have to verify whether EF is parallel to QR or not. EF. Now P is 4, then QE 4.5, PF 8, and FR is 9. That's it. Now take the ratio. P upon EQ, it is 4 upon 4.5. Now take the PF upon FR. PF upon FR, it is 8 upon 9. If I'll cancel it from 4, 2 4s are 8, 4.5. So you can say here it is 4 upon 4.5. So we got the same ratio, 4 upon 4.5 and 4 upon 4.5. So we can write here P upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. So therefore EF is parallel to QR. By this way you can solve first and second, and third question I am giving you an assignment. Okay.